oxygen. So altogether, I've got 10 oxygen. So on the left-hand side, I need to put a 5. 5 times 2, 10 oxygen. That's why the answer is D. If you look at the answers, C looks nearly the same, but this is gas, which is wrong. It must be cooled down to room temperature, so it must be a liquid. Okay, any other issues with question 15? No problem, eh? Yeah, sure. Okay, the next topic. Yeah, this next topic is a killer topic. Don't even understand the name. Yeah. This topic is a killer topic. But the good news is today, for sure, I will not be able to complete this topic. So we will not be doing exercises on it, but I have to get started lecturing on it. Yeah, yeah, that's the problem. Yeah. So you can see that. So you have some mathematics inside. Yeah. So better go and brush up your mathematics because it is needed in so many parts of life. Well, you need to go washroom. Breakfast too spicy, is it? Not like me, just now I was delayed in the bathroom. Yeah. Because breakfast I had beef noodles. Power breakfast. Then after that, he wanted to escape, so I let him go. I said bye-bye. Then he said no. Then I flush. Okay, sorry. Okay. All right, let me talk about mole concept. Okay, the good thing is you still have one more lesson to escape from mole concept. I won't be able to finish teaching this, so your homework will still be on equations, chemical equations. For mole concept, okay, there are 3 things you need to learn. At least 3 things. The first thing, okay, you need to learn relative mass. Relative is not your cousin, your ama, or who, okay? Relative means by comparing. The next thing that you need to know, you need to learn concentration. Yeah, not just how to focus in lesson, but but this concentration is something to do with the density of particles in liquid. The last thing that you need to learn, okay, you need to learn this thing called molar gas law. On top of that, you also need to be able to differentiate limiting reactant and reactant in excess. But that one is more like logic. It's more like a logical application of knowledge from here. Also, I don't include it here. Okay. So in the first place, what on earth is relative mass? Okay, relative mass and the whole concept of mole actually started around 600 years ago from this Italian guy called Avogadro. Not avocado, not your avocado toast. Yeah, Avogadro, yeah. You don't have to know his name. Yeah. Also don't have to know other details. That is for pure chem. Okay. But he discovered this number 6 times 10 to the power of 23. Yeah. Why need to have this special number? He discovered that 6 times 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen atoms weigh exactly 2 grams. Sorry, hydrogen molecules. Hydrogen atoms. Sorry, I write wrongly. Hydrogen molecules weigh exactly 2 grams. Hydrogen molecule is H2. Therefore, from here, the inference is 6 times 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen atoms is 1 gram. Yeah, hydrogen molecules is 2, correct, H2. 2 balls is 2 gram. 1 ball is atom, molecule. Atom, molecule. Okay, yeah. My temporarily confused, right? Yeah. Yeah. 2 balls, 2 gram, 1 ball, 1 gram. 2 balls. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Then what is this mole thing? This mole is not the dot on your face, then got hair coming out one. Also not okay, sorry. Also not the animal that dig underground, that mole. Yeah. This mole is just a word that's invented to replace this very big number. 6 times 10 to the power of 23, 11 syllables, Mole is just 1 syllable. You can think of it as what, like some countries, the currency is so big that they use one word to describe a very long string of numbers, right? Like where? Like in India, right? I think there's a word called luck. I think it's luck, right? It's pronounced luck, right? Who can speak Hindi, or Punjabi? Chanpri, right? You can speak, right? Or you cannot? Luck, right? It's called pronounced luck. Is it pronounced luck? Lakh. Uh, yeah, Indian money, luck, right? It's pronounced luck, right? Luck is supposed to be how much? 100,000, is it? 100,000. Yeah. So with one word, you replace 100,000, 5 syllables. Just use one word. It's the same idea. One mole. This is one mole. One mole is 6 times 10 to the power 23. Okay. So Valentine's Day, yeah. Maybe you want to be very crazy. Yeah. You can tell your Valentine, yeah, I will give you 1 mole of roses. I don't know where you're going to find so many roses. About 23. So this word replaces this. That's all. Okay, so that's what mole is. Oh no, one atom now. One atom so small. 1 mole. 1 mole means 6 times 10 to the power 23. 2 moles will be 12 times 10 to the power 23. So on and so forth. Yeah. Okay. Then after Avogadro discovered this, okay, he began to use hydrogen and weigh against other gases. Eventually, this work accumulated in the 18th century. Yeah, this Russian guy called Mendeleev. Yeah,
He created the periodic table.
yeah, he created the periodic table, but he didn't create the elements. Yeah, he just helped to discover some of them, but he created a table to organize all this information. So what does it mean?
We didn't have to memorize the properties of every single element, and now we have to memorize the periodic table. Now we have to remember both.
Actually, with the periodic table, it makes using the properties of elements much easier. It's just like a very good toolbox. Yeah, the toolbox places the nails, the screws, the bolts all in its right places. Yeah. So that's what the periodic table does too. Yeah.
Is it only in JC where they use the whole periodic table?
Or with the stuff at the bottom. Yes, yeah. So for now, for O levels, you are using the simplified version, which means the mass numbers are all whole numbers except for chlorine and one other one. Who is the other guy? Can't remember. I think it's just chlorine. Okay, that is in decimals. All right. Let me show you something about the periodic table.
Do we still make elements still?
Yes. Yeah. So this is.
It costs like millions of dollars, right?
Yeah. So this is like really heavily simplified. Yeah. And do we make new elements every now and then? Yes. I believe the latest discovered element was called. That is quite recent as well. Yeah. But I think it's something called what tesserinarium or something like that. Yeah. I think it was just discovered like 2 years ago. Just for interest sake, latest element discovered.
Wait, didn't he also have an element named after him, Mendeleevium?
Yeah. Okay, the latest discovered. Okay, Tennessee. We're thinking of whiskey. Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah. So there are
American
Yeah,
and
wow.
Russian scientists.
I know, I think I quit, bro.
2010. Oh, okay. Yeah. I believe this is the latest one, is it? I mean, who knows, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. Anyway, yeah, but
Oh, in 2014, 4 new elements were added.
ooh, interesting. Oh, was that 2014? But anyway, yeah. But indeed, every now and then we discover new elements. But for the sake of our studies, yeah, we don't need to go into such great detail because we are not training you to become nuclear physicists or to make your own drugs at home. Okay, right? So we are just learning something. So we just need to learn something that's quite at a very basic level. Look at all the mass numbers. What does this 12 mean? So this 12 means 6 times 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms weigh 12 grams. But this is a big mouthful, so we replace it with 1 mole of 1 mole of carbon atoms, 12 grams. 1 mole of iron atoms, 56 grams.
Is there a mole, is there like a mole number for the imperial system?
What? What?
I've never heard of anybody asking me such a question.
What's this?
Interesting. I don't know.
The imperial system, it's the system that people in the United States, Etria, and
Pounds,
Yen.
feet.
That's not like
Yeah. Okay. Pounds, feet. That kind of measurements. Not like grams and all that.
Which
Oh, yeah, I'm-
which is older than the metric system.
But it's not element.
No, he's saying is that a conversion for this? I'm sure there is. Just that
They don't use grams.
Yeah. I'm sure there is. Just that I wouldn't know. Yeah. Okay. Okay. How about compounds? It's the same thing. Okay, if I have hydrogen chloride, so hydrogen is 1. You can see that's 1 over here. Chlorine is 35.5. You can see 35.5 over here. Yeah, people still busy talking. Goodness, man. 36.5. What does this 36.5 mean? This 36.5 means 1 mole of hydrogen chloride molecules weigh 36.5 grams. This is what it means. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to know. Yeah. Oh, I thought you raised a hand. Hammond, why every day so sleepy? Hey, yeah. You're 17 this year, right? Or 18? 18. Hey, yeah, you're supposed to be at the most energetic years of your life. It's true. Think about all the things that are going to happen in the future. Probably going to get married. Global warming. No need to think of getting married and having kids. End of the world already. Then all the more we need to have a lot of knowledge in case we are the pioneers that get to be sent to live on Mars. Okay. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Are we exploring the moon? Are humans going to live in the moon? Do you say that? What? Come on, microphone. Okay. Oh, why is chlorine the only one with a decimal? I've answered that before. Yeah, because those numbers are the average. Okay. All right. Those numbers are the average of all the molecules in the universe. Yeah. For example, let's say I take a survey, okay, of everybody in class. Okay, how many siblings you have? And then I get the answer. Okay. The average number of siblings of students in this class is 2.5. 2.5? Somebody has a midget for a sibling? No lah. No, it's not round up. It's because let's say there are 12 people Okay. So altogether, there are 25 siblings. So all the people, there are 25, all the students here that have 25 siblings out of 12 students. That is why it is a decimal.
Then why they never conduct the survey for other chemicals also?
Excellent point. Very good questions. See, I think every lesson only Rifki is paying full attention, really. No, sometimes you're distracted by your phone or your laptop. Yeah, that's why I just close one eye. So, but still, you can't deny that you don't pay full attention, all right? Okay. But what Rifki asked is great. Can you see that for the A level and above? For the A level and above, stop chatting in the pad. Yeah, but talking, the voice. Yeah,
The sound.
the sound bounces around. Yeah, that's the problem, you see. No, this actually tried to help a bit. Yeah. I know. Sometimes you are talking about the studies, but that's not a good excuse. Okay, anyway, so for A level and above, yeah, the periodic table includes the decimals, but for O level, it is rounded off to the nearest. Yeah, so for O level, right, instead of 28.1 for silicon, we use 28. Yeah, but then why don't they round up for chlorine? Because it's 0.5. Yeah, so that is their reasoning. Yeah, but that's what they gave us, so we just have to use it. Yeah, that's done. Okay. Yeah, what are you gonna say?
If my sister has stage 4 skin cancer, at which point it grows teeth and hair, do I technically have 2.5 siblings?
Get out. Get him gone.
Yes, but you should have asked that in bio. Yeah, because some of those cells of her are
Yeah.
not her anymore.
Like cancer.
Does she actually have cancer?
Cancer can't go.
So no. Does she actually have cancer? No, they're just yeah, because no, because white people are more susceptible to skin cancer, so you gotta yeah, so you gotta like yeah. See, on top of that, people laughing hysterically away. Okay, so I've explained this for chlorine. Why is it 35.5? Okay, that's a very good question. Excellent question. Yeah, what do you want to ask?
0.5 times 12, right?
Yeah, just now, yes.
2.5 times 10.
2.5 times 10. Oh, wow, I wrote wrongly. Sorry. Yeah. Fine. Oh, okay. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to know about mole concept. Okay. The second thing you need to know about mole concept, okay, just nice. I have 9 minutes to explain this to you. Is this thing called concentration. Yeah, that is something that all of you lack. Hey, cannot even concentrate for a few hours of studying, how to concentrate for many hours at work. Anyway, what does concentration measure? It measures how dilute or concentrated a solution is. That's what is.
Solute is what again?
Very good question. Yeah, solute plus solvent. Yeah, okay. I know. You know. That's great. Solute plus solvent. Rarer. Yeah, rarer because you are. If you don't know this, I think the harder questions you also can't do. Right. Yeah.
Solute is a liquid.
It can be anything as long as it's soluble in the solvent. Yeah. Usually it's not a liquid, but it can be a liquid. Yeah. Like water can dissolve in alcohol. Yeah. So that is then cannot. Then it's not a solute. No, then it's not a solute, and the other one not. Salt also, yeah. Then salt plus water, salt water solution. Solvent is usually the water. If you want to be very strict about it, it can even be a gas, but then seldom ask like that. Yeah, they will tell you lah. They will tell you. Yeah. Okay, for example, okay, let's say later during lunch break, okay, you feel very tired, yeah, the weird fat man keep on talking for 3 hours, your brain gonna explode. So you went to buy a cup of Milo, okay, that cup of Milo, 200 cm cube of water. Who measures like that? Yeah, the auntie with OCD. Okay, 200 cm cube of water with 40 grams of Milo powder. By the way, we are very lucky to be in the very few places on earth where there is Milo. Yeah, there are many countries with no Milo. Yeah, we have got Milo. Australia has got Milo. Yeah, I think UK has got Milo. Yeah, but once you go to other places, there's no Milo. Okay. Africa, Kenya only the ex-British colonies. Yeah, Milo maybe.
He comes from Mama shop in Africa. He come from Africa. You open you don't have bird. Yeah, I saw on YouTube.
Which part of Africa did you live in? Mauritania. Oh, okay. But Mauritania is an ex-British colony, right?
It was like broken
French, right? French. No, wait. No wonder there's no Milo. Yeah, it's Frenchies. Yeah. Yes. But only in the ex-British colonies. Yeah. I used to have a French teacher from another ex-French colony. I've forgotten. Yeah, it's a part of Africa. No, not Mozambique. It's an island.
Have you seen Mozambique's flag? It's really cool.
Yeah. Okay. All right, sorry. We're left like 4 minutes. Okay, 200 grams. 400 grams, 40 grams, 200 cm cube. Gram per cm cube is one of the ways we can measure concentration. 0 cancel out by each other. 4, 5, 20, so that is 0.2 gram per cm cube Milo solution. But gram per cm cube is not SI unit. The SI unit is mole per dm cube. Okay, so you need to be able to convert from gram per cm cube to mole per dm cube and vice versa. But what I'm trying to show is the concept behind concentration. Now let me give you an example of how to convert it. Okay. For example, 0.3 gram per cm cube of sodium chloride, solution is how many mole per dm cube? So how do we convert this? Okay, sodium chloride, let's go and find its molecular mass. Sodium is 23, chlorine is 35.5. So what do we get? 3, 4, 5, 58.5 grams. 58.5 grams is 1 mole. Okay, per cm cube means every 1 cm cube of water contains 0.3 gram of sodium chloride. 0.3 gram of sodium chloride is how many moles? No, the other way around. 58.5 grams is 1 mole. So 0.3 grams is how many moles? Some very basic math. 0.3 divided by 58.5. Then we will get 0.3 divided by 58.5. Okay, we'll get a funny number. That's because I anyhow give numbers out. 0.00513 mole. So 0.3 grams of sodium chloride is 0.00513 moles. per dm cube. 1 dm cube equals 1000 cm cube. So 1000 cm cube will have how many moles? 0.00513 times 1000. Yes, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 5.13 moles. Therefore, the answer is 5.13 mole per dm cube. This is the way to do a conversion from gram per cm cube to mole per dm cube. Go back and study this. I'll test you next week. Okay, and the rest of the homework will be up in the group chat as usual. Enjoy your lunch break. Bio people, 1 o'clock.
I didn't remember this question I was gonna ask, but I forgot.
Yeah, bye.
It's quite good.